Hi, I'm Gabriel Lipper, and welcome to the Figure Painting Workshop. The figure is at the root of everything art. It's the most complex of subjects to paint, and it's also something that each of us as a human being can identify with. The figure is one of the oldest subjects in art, and it's still one of the most relevant. We're all people. We all have figures. And learning to paint the figure in an inspiring and dynamic way is at the heart of great art making. Figure painting is tough, and it used to feel impossible. But when I finally figured out how to see the figure, I realized that it was a lot easier than I thought, and it didn't need to take as much time. So what's this workshop all about? This figure workshop is unlike anything that you've ever seen. Instead of dry academic renderings and tons of anatomy books, we're going to cut through all of the crap. We'll start with an abstract playground full of paint, surprise, color, and add dynamic forms that are built on negative and positive shapes instead of anatomy. A figure painting needs to be more than just an outline of the figure carefully shaded in. We will be diving deep into the proportions of the figure, the form of the figure, and how to create dimensional, structural figures that feel like they could jump off of the canvas. Coupling techniques from both the Italian and French traditions of light and form with contemporary ideas about merging abstraction, we'll be getting into how to incorporate a figurative painting with a rich and dynamic tapestry of color and paint. In this 2-week workshop, you'll have almost 7 hours of pre-recorded content coupled with 2 live Q&A calls where you can have all your questions answered and we can review your work in real time. I'll even be doing adjustments to show you specifically how you can take your paintings further and achieve better results. This online format allows you to work at your own pace because you're going to have all of the content for a full year. That includes the live demos, which will be recorded for you to review from the comfort of your studio or your home or wherever you choose to paint. So if you're an artist who's been creating paintings with figures, whether you're at the professional level or just starting, the Figurative Workshop is going to blow your creative process wide open and give you the opportunity and the tools to make the work that you've always dreamed of making. As a bonus, you'll be receiving not just 1, but 2 photo stacks of a female and male model that you can work from throughout the rest of the year. This is an incredible workshop full of inspiration and discovery, and I can't wait for you to join me.